This is what I do when I'm actively doing research. Probably I'm doing a research now and I found a token or a coin and I think that I want my guys, my friends to have a look at. I copy the link, then I'll send it to Telegram group, especially in the trade to earn community on Telegram, especially. Now, I was doing a research and I found this project. It is called Invest Club Global, right? What really drove my attention to it is the fact that they have a token. Yeah, they have a token, and the token is trading on, I think, more than two exchanges. Right? It got a decent volume, being a new project, got a decent volume, and the market cap is not looking bad at all. At all. So now, welcome to this review. And if you're a return subscriber, I must say salute. I salute you, and thanks for being a part of this community. I appreciate you. And probably if you're searching for information about this product, about this platform, and you found this channel and you're not subscriber yet, you're a new person to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, I'm gonna appreciate that. Don't just do that, turn on notification, like the video, share with your friends, and also let me know in the comment box if you've gained some value and some valuable insight from this review. Now, this is a review of Invest Club Global. All right, and I love to have a deep dive into it together with you. Now, I'm not going to say you should invest or not. Of course, this is not a financial advice. All right, this is strictly for educational purpose. So whatever you see today, whatever you learn right now, okay, from this video review, it is strictly for educational purpose. It doesn't constitute any financial advice. So having said that, let's have a look at Invest Club Global. Okay, the ICG token, the plans, affiliate news, investors, advantages, and all of that. All right. So these are things we'll have a look at. Now, I've been able to create an account on the platform, okay, so that I will be able to explore the platform further. Now, I say this is trading in the cryptocurrency market with investment club. You enjoy reliability and innovation in trading. And according to this update now, they have um, more than 4,000 clients. At the moment, I think they have more than 4,000 rather. I think right now they have more than 8,000 people, about 9,000 people are trusting this platform and they are doing business with them as clients, right? So what they do basically to put it into perspective or to make it clear enough, they are into spot trading. Spot trading in the crypto markets. It could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Lumen, Cardano, Solana, you know, Avalanche, Optimism. It could be any of those cryptocurrencies, but they are not involved in futures trading. Neither are they involved in margin trading or option trading in the crypto space. They are strictly, for spot trading. And that seems to have a low level of risk because even when you make some bad losses on the spot market, as long as it's a good project, if you hold long enough, you might still recover from that losses, isn't it? So that is a conditional statement. As long as it's a condition, it is a solid project. It will likely recover. Now, having said this, let's explore this guy further. You can see they said they promise an official registered company, okay, innovative approach, profitable working conditions, right? So, and about the company, you want to know more about the company, you can find out about it right here. So, if you want, you can verify the registration, all right? So, it will take you to this point in case you want to verify the registration in it. So, I'm going to go back, okay, verify the registration. So if you check here, you can see investment club have the capacity of giving you 10 to 40% profit on a monthly basis. And these guys have been around since last year, if I'm not mistaken. So They have different packages for you, like first is 65% of the profits. Okay, you earn 65% of the profits. Let's say the profit is about, maybe you're investing like $500 now, and the total profits you're going to be making from that is 500. So you can only get 65% of that money. Okay, that should be around 350 thereabouts. All right. So for the second package, for this fifth package, it's going to be like 80% profit split. So the maximum investment will be $1 million. Yeah, and the minimum will be like $50,000. So you can click here to make a deposit if you would like to partner with them. So if you type amount here, let's say you're going to be investing like this amount. Okay, your profits could be like up to $400,000. Okay, on this investment. That's amazing. For affiliate, if you refer your friends, you get like 10% commission on that. You can say last deposit, last withdrawals. You can see they want to show you that people are making deposits and people are cashing out. They're making withdrawals. All right. So you can see weekly accumulative percentage from whatever. Okay, they're updating the website to show you that people are making real money here. So why should you choose this platform? You can say thorough choice of investments, technique group of experts, round the clock technical support, legally registered firm, high security and all of that. Right. So if you come here, you see the email, if you want to send them an email, if you want to check them out on Telegram, you're gonna see the updates right here. So let's go further and check these guys out on Telegram and see what's up with them on Telegram. Just give that a moment, please. Now, before that, don't forget that they said they are registered, isn't it? Okay. So shall we start from that? Let me refresh this. Let me refresh this now. So for some reasons, I think the site is not loading at the moment, anyways. So we'll continue with this. First, let me open up this fresh one. Okay, let me open up there. Okay, let me. No, excuse me. Let me scroll down a little bit more. I saw something like registered. Okay, that proves that these guys are registered. Recently, let me check it. Okay, it says verify the registration. Now they said they are registered. Okay, about the company. Okay, they are registered according to them. Right. Well, if you click on this, they said you should verify the registration. What I expect them to show us is a certificate of registration so that on our own, if we want, we can confirm it by ourselves. I'm not saying that. Okay, I'm not saying that. So by the time you click on this, it's going to take you to a page that says that you should make a deposit, or probably verify your account. If you verify your account, you have to upload your documents, maybe your passport, maybe your ID card. You have to upload this here. By doing that on platform like this, you may actually be giving your data to people that might want to sell that information or that data in a black market. All right. One day you discover that there was a particular exchange where you think you have where you think you don't have an account, whereas somebody through platform like this have been able to buy your details and they might use it for verification on other platforms. If they should commit some atrocities, you might be liable for it, except you have a strong lawyer that can defend you. Even at that, imagine how much you will have spent on different expenses to defend that point or that case. So you got to be careful. So I'm gonna go back to this now. All right, I'm gonna go back to this. So they have different packages. Okay, if you invest in packages, you get good money. They have the standard plans, they have the pro plans, they have the halving plans like this, like Bitcoin halving. They have the real estate plan. Okay, these guys are still also into real estate and robotic plans. Okay, you cannot withdraw until 2 years has passed your subscription for this one. Right. So your money is going to be locked for a very long time, and you're going to be expecting between 400 to 800% profit in 24 months. All right, that's amazing, isn't it? But you don't have to fall for a scam like this. It is a coded crypto Ponzi scheme. Okay, it is a coded crypto Ponzi scheme in the sense that if you come here, they kind of promoted a token. He said innovating investment in cryptocurrency, real estate, and robotics. All right. So they have a white paper, they have an audit report. They are inviting you to join them. This is a smart contract on the Ethereum network, their email addresses, and that is a very short white paper, one of the shortest I've ever seen in this industry. Okay. No story, just buy. Okay. Long it. That's exactly what this guy is saying. So if you look at this, they're registered with they have a domain, and their domain name will expire, before this time next year. All right. If you look at the time when they registered this last year, these guys are obviously not expecting this scheme to last beyond 2 years. Obviously. And now they're expecting to make an investment that will last for 2 years. All right. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. All right. So if you go to CoinMarketCap, you find their token right here. This is their token on CoinMarketCap. Okay, they have the maximum supply, and their coin is extremely close to its maximum supply right now. Okay, that is like 100 billion of the supply. Now look at this. They have the market cap of $2.47 million market cap. The volume in the last 24 hours was $90,800 volume. Okay, and this was the all-time high. This is the all-time low. This guy is down by 78.58%. So far, so good. There is no solid project that has been down by over 70%, from the previous all-time high in this market. None of them. None of them. So this guy, as expected, it pumped like crazy, typical of shit coins and Ponzi, Ponzi and meme coins, typical of them, and this guy is crashing. Now, if you see these guys at his flats, and you are buying with the hope that the value may rise anytime soon, before you make that conclusion, don't forget this. Okay, don't forget this. Okay, the domain expires next year. In the next few months from now, it's going to expire, and trust me, this guy will pack up. Okay, they're going to lose your money. So at some point I was like, man, let me give them some benefit of doubt about this project. Right. So I copied the smart contracts and I ran a contract check on them right here. And this is exactly what I found. Okay. The owner can blacklist tokens of users. Like if you buy this token, you have some huge amount of it, you buy it, and you probably have it in your wallet or MetaMask or something. Okay, this guy one day they might decide to blacklist your token. You will not be able to move it. It becomes permanent in your wallet. You will try to send it out of the wallet. You will receive error messages that you cannot send it. Okay. Why? Because there is a blacklist function in the smart contract code. So basically, everything is smelling of scam. Like scam is smelling everywhere as far as this investclubglobal.com is concerned. Okay. So you want to be careful, alright? And I believe that you know what to do. Okay. In case somebody tells you on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Facebook that, oh guys, this is next big deal in crypto. Buy now, invest your money, invest some investment on a monthly basis. That is going to be, it's going to, it will end in premium shares. Okay, don't ever fall for it. Now you are what? Instead, learn the basic of investing and trading by yourself. Okay, whatever thing you do, you are in full control of your funds. You are in full control of your money. All right. So learn how to manage your wealth by yourself. Learn how to manage your investment by yourself. Learn how to manage your wealth by yourself. Okay, it's going to help you a lot. Stop chasing platforms like, oh, let me put in $1,000 so I can be getting like $100 every month. I can be getting $200 every month. Okay, stop chasing platforms like that. Okay, so this is the truth about the investclubglobal.com, and this is the ultimate truth about it. Okay, so if you have any counter proof that these guys are legit, okay, let me know. I'm open to your suggestion, to your proof. Just send me the proof. I'll look at it. If I look at it and I discover that, oh, I'm wrong about this guy, then trust me, if you can convince me enough, I'm gonna, I'm gonna pull out a video. Yeah, I promise you that. If you can prove to me beyond reasonable doubt that this guy is a legitimate, but so far so good. It smells of scam. It smells of swindling and stuff like that. So be careful. Don't be the next victim. If you've watched this point, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the follow button. Okay, subscribe right now. Turn on your notification. That's quite important. Okay, so I'm going to be seeing you pretty soon. Bye and have a great day.